Hi guys and welcome to BRW tutorials. In this tutorial, we have shown on how you can set appointment type. Now, let's get into this video. To set appointment type, you go to Dashboard, Products, Add New Product. Add the name of the product. Let's go to Product Data tab, select Rental. Move on Rental Type tab, select Appointment. If you have one store, you don't tick the checkbox do you want to use location. Then you set time slots for each day in the week. You set label, start time, end time, price, and quantity. Click on the link to go to the front end. You can see the price range from the lowest price to the highest price. I choose pickup date. Select time slot. Set quantity. I completed the order. Come back to the dashboard. If you have many branches and stores, you tick the checkbox you want to use location, and you set locations for time slots. To create location, you go to Dashboard, Location, Add New Location. Select locations for time slots. Let's go to the front end. I select pickup date. Select location. Select time slot and set quantity. I complete the order. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please leave it down below in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again in the next video.